Say animals.
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 I go see ducky.
Cheese. Let's go get the piggies. Piggies. Where's the pig? What is it, dolls? Birdies? Dulcie. Come on then. Whoa. Come on then. You gonna climb down? Go on then.
Hi, buddy.
Birdie, where are you? Wave at the bird. Say hiya. Fly. Whee! Whee! Your turn. Go. Ugh. Don't do it. Whoa! Go down the slide. Are you going to go down the slide, baby? Morning, guys. We got a Subway today. You got me a foot long?
Yeah.
I always say no to a foot long.
You know, but you're always saying that you're hungry afterwards, so.
I'm not saying I can't demolish a foot long, but it just makes me really bloated. We got some little chicken poppers and some cheese balls. Is that your one? Yeah?
Yeah, I've got chicken breast
Chicken breast.
with grated cheese, not that square cheese, the grated cheese.
Oh.
I've got you grated cheese as well.
No, I don't have cheese.
Hmm?
You're lying.
No.
Why would you get me grated cheese?
Last time I said, take this, it's got grated cheese in it.
It's pure chatting shit, by the way, guys.
I swear down.
I don't even like cheese. I only like plastic cheese.
Well, you told me that you got more with grated cheese last time.
Okay, we'll ignore that, guys. He's lying. So I've got grated cheese in my Subway. I've never had that in like that 9 years he's known me. But anyway, we're going to eat this and then we're going to a party for Dulcie. Her little friend's got a party. So yeah, we'll show you when Dulcie's there. Living her best life.
Now taste that on the camera so everyone knows that how bang it is. And don't talk waffle either because you know that's bang. Why?
Alright.
Yeah, see?
Anyway. See you at the party, guys. Wow. Say hiya. Hiya. Look at you. Put yourself away. We just went and got Dulcie a potty and a little toilet seat. So we're going to see how that goes. We're going to start her little potty journey, aren't we? Yeah. And we've also come home and Mama and Papa's have kindly sent us a little high chair, but it also goes into a toddler seat. Oh. Diggle. And my mother's here. Aww. So we've got her to build it, haven't we? And we're just sitting and watching, aren't we? Yeah? Yeah. Is Nanny building your high chair?
Yeah.
Say go, Nanny. Nanny. Is it hard, Mum?
I've only just started, Della.
Oh. So yeah, there's 4 lots of, I'm guessing these length are for the high chair bit. Dolls, pass this to Nanny.
With these, it all goes on together.
Oh, it's one length.
So you put the 2 together for the high chair, and then you take one off
Oh.
for the low chair.
Give it to Nanny.
Thank you. You helping
Yay.
me? Dulcie helping me?
Wow.
Bye-bye.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Nine.
10.
Ten.
Yay! High five. A,
I.
B,
E.
C,
E.
D,
D.
E,
E.
F,
F.
G,
G.
H,
H.
I,
I.
J,
J.
K,
K.
L,
R.
M,
M.
N,
M.
O,
I.
P,
V.
Q,
G.
R. R. Love you.
R. Nice. Nice. B. 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 B.
Oh, you're back in a minute? What are you getting?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Minute.
Where are the guinea pigs? Where are they? Quickly, try find them. Where are you? Where are they? Where are you? Where are you? Right. What have they done? Have they done poo? Where?
Yeah.
Where? Oh yeah, they done poo.
Yeah, poo.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's it.
1, 2, 3, go! Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Where's the sand?
Yeah, well.
Mommy.
Sand. Woo!
Are you making me fall
What are you doing? Show mummy. Whoa. That funny?
Yeah,
Did they go on it? Dulcie? Is it fun?
yeah, don't. Yeah.
Look, come and watch
Yeah.
Jay! Whoa! And now Daddy's gonna come, isn't he?
Yeah.
So Daddy!
Daddy.
Whoa, are you ready?